Hi guys, I'm just going for a walk with my father because it's so bored just staying at home every single day. And that's why I'm just walking here and I'm telling you 10 facts about how to avoid coronavirus. Fact 1. 10 things that how to avoid coronavirus. First we have to wear mask every single time we're going in corona is there. When we're going outside, we have to wear mask, and if we are going to a supermarket, we have to also wear some gloves so corona can't get in our hands as well. I'm taking off my mask just to talk, and for fun I'm just recording a video. And today I'm actually, and the second thing is that you have to always wash your hands, wash your feet, wash your body, wash it with the most nice variety soap you have. And if you think that it's just boring, you can, if you have a swimming pool out in your house, you can bath there if you want. Plus, if you wash your hands very nicely, the corona will go. Third, we have to cover our nose or our mouth like this. If we sneeze, corona spreads around. Because if we breathe outside, corona could go inside our nose, and when we kind of feel some ticklish in our nose will sneeze, right? When we sneeze, we have to do like this, like that. Next, fourth, we have to always stay in home. But if you're just bored and tired, if your father asks if you just want to go for a walk, you can go with your father if you want. Wear your mask every single time, and if you record videos like me in YouTube, you can just, for a little time, you can just not take your mask with you. Unlike corona, we can't go outside, right? It's locked down absolutely. But in other countries, the lockdown is over, but still we have to stay at home. It's so tiring just going at home and being bored. So being relaxed, you can just do anything you want. Like if you have a board game like Chinese checkers, you can play that. That's my favorite game, unless my little sister broke it. And the fifth one is you have to always wash your hand after you come from outside. If you wash your hands you'll be safe from corona. Plus, we can also use the sanitizer if we want. And sixth is that we have to never go close to our friends. We have to stay 1 meters far from our friends, which is 6 feet. We can still talk to each other. If your friend come close to you, tell them, do not come close to me or else corona will come. Like that. Now, seventh is do not touch very dirty objects. If you touch those things, you'll get corona as well. 8. In 8, do not, if you have a cotton mask like mine, you can wear it anywhere you want and don't need to throw it in the trash. Because if you have a mask which they're wearing in the hospital while they're working, you have to throw it in the waste before you use it. After you use it. After you use it, you may think that corona can spread in that, but that's wrong. Our masks are protecting us like this. It's like a shield to our mouth and our nose. It's like one. Corona can go in, but it can spread if we use that mask that they're using in the hospital, those nurses. If we use those masks, we have to immediately throw it in the waste after we use it, or else corona can spread out of it, because corona could attach to anything it wants. So clean your house and be safe. Ninth is that don't go inside of a hospital every single time. If there's a corona patient, don't go inside of it, or else you'll get corona. As you get corona, you'll actually be infected, and then the ways of it is to struggle against a lot of things. Corona has a lot of things, but before, corona was just in a 1% big, but right now it's very big right now, because Chinese people just came to other countries. It's spreading across the world. Chinese people spread it to other countries, and then the people in that country will go to other countries, and then it will be spread like a coronavirus. 10th, never use gloves as well. After using gloves, you have to do the same thing as masks, or else corona will come. From the fruits and vegetables, if you're picking them from a supermarket, the corona out of it will come into the gloves. So you have to throw it in the waste. So that's all the 10 facts I'm telling you how to avoid corona. So bye.